Hello, in front of me I've got AOC monitor. In this video I'll show you how to assemble or disassemble it. In the beginning, take a look at the back of the monitor. Right here we've got the stand with base. The stand is attached to the monitor on the hooks. To unlock the hooks, you have to place your finger right here and push the lock upwards. Now you can remove the monitor from the stand. To assemble it, place it on the hooks and push it to lock it. If you want to disassemble the stand from base, take a look under the stand and unscrew the screw. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.